It's gonna be a monster.
He's huge.
He's massive.
Monster.
Having a little snowstorm here in Cordele. Blizzard conditions. Complete whiteout.
Condition.
Whiteout. Coming down pretty good now. They say the temperature is going to drop to -12.
No, it's not.
Antarctica.
It's in the 20s.
Hey dog, turn around. What you got?
Snowman.
Where's your snowman? Oh, you making a head?
I'm trying. You said make a big ball. It would be as big as we can make it.
Okay.
Gale force winds and blizzards.
We need to go. We need to go to the same place.
Your hands cold?
Mine are freezing! It's cold. I can't see him on the outside.
Are you making him? What are you making there? Is that just a head, or is that going to be the bait, the middle?
That's the middle. This is the bottom. This is the middle. Weston's making the top.
Well, he's deformed over here.
Well, I can't work but for one side. I'm standing up on a table.
Oh, I thought you were standing. You've grown a little bit.
Grown! Full grown. Whew, that's wet there.
What day is it?
Day before Valentine's Day.
Today's the 12th. Valentine's Day is on the
Nope.
14th.
Yeah.
I ordered some snow for you for Valentine's. I thought you'd appreciate it.
Thank you. I'm giving a man boots.